Hey guys, good morning. Get ready with me. I don't want to be getting out of bed. Like, by the way, happy Wednesday. And I just dunked my head in water because guys, it's 10 in the morning. Because I went to bed at like 11. Oh, right. Don't blind me, please. I'm not disturbed. Blind me. Just do whatever you want. Let's go get an energy drink. I've only just started recently getting energy drink. This is only going to be one energy drink in the fridge because I gave the other one to my brother because he was already awake when I dunked my head underwater at school. Everybody's already awake and everybody's already had breakfast and stuff. My brother's playing football right now. Need this? Let's go back upstairs to the fountain because my dad's at work already, same as my mum. I feel bad that they have to work. So, yeah. Okay guys, let's start getting ready. I need to go to dance at like 12. Oh, that's crispy. Very. The Rubicon has got energy. It's got 8300. Just joking. It's got 83. I'm gonna go croquet. I've got a tan filter, so yeah. Oh, wrong filter. This is the no filter, and then this is the tan filter, like I'm so tan. I can't stop drinking. I need energy. And today, dance. I've got dance, and then I don't even know what else I'm doing because, to be honest, I'm just not in the mood to do anything. I just had a sleepover at my friend's house, and I'm getting a new vanity because this is what it looks like. If I had to like do something to it, I would. Hey besties. No. Great. I've never done that before. I've just done moisturiser. So I'm going to do concealer, some pressed powder, Merit concealer, but I got it in darker shade. I thought it was bronzer. Superdrug, setting spray, Raw Beauty Wash, BG Fiesta, Sauvage Janeiro, perfume. See y'all once I've done my makeup. Bye besties. I'm going dancing in an hour, so I don't need to get ready or get